Hey mathematicians, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about the different ways to write the perimeter formula. So the definition of perimeter is the distance around a shape. Okay, so if I were walking and I started going down this line and I turned the corner again, turned the corner again, and got right back to where I started, how far would I have traveled? Okay, so the most basic way to write this formula that you probably know is perimeter equals length, which is this side right here, plus length, which is this side up here, okay, plus width, which is right here, plus width, which is right here, okay? Now you can, let me redo that line. You can find the perimeter of any shape you want, okay? As long as you have the distances, the lengths of the sides, you can find the perimeter. But when we're talking about a shape like a rectangle or a square, there are other ways that you can write this formula, okay? Because in a rectangle, these two L's, these two lengths, they're going to be the same number, okay? For example, they are 5. I'm just making this up. Okay, and the W's in a rectangle also have to be the same number in order for it to be a rectangle. So I'll just make it up and say that they're 3. Okay? We know that multiplication is another way to do addition. Multiplication is just repeated addition. Okay, so I can write this formula in a way that uses multiplication, and it will save me time both in writing it and in solving it. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this formula over here. So instead of saying L plus W plus W, I'm going to say that perimeter equals 2 L's and plus 2 W's. Okay, I have 2 5s and 2 3s. Remember from our order of operations unit that 2 next to the letter L or 2 next to the letter W means multiply. 2 times L, 2 times W. Alright, so that's another way to write it. Now there's one other way that we can write it. So say instead of multiplying 5 times 2 plus 3 times 2, I wanted to add these two sides first. Say I wanted to do 3 plus 5. Okay, I wanted to do this piece right here, 3 plus 5. I can absolutely start with that piece, okay? So I would do L plus W, okay? But I can't just stop there, right? Because that would only give me 2 of my 4 sides. I need to add in the other 2, okay? I need to do 3 plus 5 twice, okay? All right, so even though these all look very different, all 3 of these are ways to write the write the formula for perimeter. Hopefully that clears up any confusion about the formula for perimeter. If you have any other questions, let me know.